What if the biggest smartwatch reveal of the year turns out to be barely a reveal at all? Fresh promotional images claiming to show the Google Pixel Watch 5 have hit the internet, and they're giving us our clearest look yet at what Google's cooking up. This matters because the Pixel Watch line has quietly become one of the most interesting wearables out there, and any hint about the next version is worth paying attention to. Stick around, because there's a pricing detail buried in here that might actually change your buying decision. Let's start with the obvious part. If these renders are accurate, the Google Pixel Watch 5 looks almost like a twin of last year's model. Same domed circular display, same rotating crown on the side, same signature band system that Google's used for a few generations now. Honestly, if you lined up the Pixel Watch 4 and Pixel Watch 5 side by side, you might need a magnifying glass to spot the difference. But before you write this off as lazy, consider that plenty of successful products follow this exact playbook. Keep the shell, sharpen everything underneath. The real story here isn't the shape, it's what Google might be doing with color, and that's where things get interesting. According to the leaked images, Google appears to be planning 4 distinct finishes this time around. There's a darker anthracite paired with a black band, a soft silver case matched with a light blue band, a warm gold option with a coral band, and reportedly a brand new bronze-toned finish called pyrite paired with green. That pyrite shade looks like nothing we've seen on a Pixel Watch before, almost like a richer, moodier take on gold. And speaking of gold, it seems to be replacing the champagne tone from the last generation entirely. It also looks like Google is deliberately syncing these colors with the rumored Pixel 11 lineup, which would make sense if they're trying to sell the whole ecosystem as one cohesive product family. But there's a catch. Reports suggest the larger 45mm case might skip the warm gold option completely, meaning if you want that specific look, you may be stuck choosing the smaller size. Small detail, but for anyone who cares about aesthetics, that's the kind of thing that actually influences a purchase. Now here's the part that's got people talking more than the design ever could. Multiple reports are pointing to a $50 price increase across the entire lineup, which would be the first hike in Pixel Watch history. If that holds true, the 41mm Wi-Fi model reportedly jumps from $349 to $399, and the 45mm version could land around $429. LTE variants are expected to follow the same pattern. Nothing here is locked in until Google says so, but if these numbers are even close to accurate, the Pixel Watch 5 walks into a much tougher conversation with buyers who are used to a lower price of entry. Now let's talk about what's actually new, because there is something. The leaked renders reveal a watch face nobody's seen before, featuring a swirling dotted animation, classic analog hands, and what looks like a dedicated Gemini shortcut built directly into the display. That's a pretty clear signal that Google wants Gemini to feel like a core part of using this watch, not just a feature buried in a menu. Interestingly, this particular render doesn't show off any new health or fitness tools, so we're still in the dark there. But separate rumors have suggested Google might finally be ditching Qualcomm for a custom tensor chip inside the watch. The goal reportedly isn't raw speed, it's squeezing out better battery life through tighter software integration. Beyond that, battery capacity, charging speed, and sensor upgrades are all still a mystery. Google's expected to make this official at its August event alongside the Pixel 11 series, so we won't be waiting long for confirmation. Would you rather Google refine a proven design or take a real swing at something new? Drop your take in the comments. And if this kept you hooked, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.